Hi, and welcome to week 6 of CIR 306. Week 6 spans Sunday, September 20th through Saturday, September 26th. So this week we are going to focus on two main topics. We're going to study poetry in the elementary classroom. We are also going to introduce writing workshop. And in forthcoming weeks, we're going to get a lot more in-depth with writing workshop and how to teach different traits or qualities of good writing. So if you go into Blackboard and go under the week 6 folder, I've put the videos I'd like you to watch on our two topics in separate folders just to kind of keep things a little bit neat. So make sure that you visit both folders and that you look at everything that's in there. There are several videos about poetry and several about writing workshop that I would like you to look at this week. So in terms of your reading assignments, this week you are going to be reading chapter 10 of your textbook, and you are going to complete an alpha box for chapter 10 of the textbook, and you'll post that to the discussion forum in Blackboard. You also have chapter 5 of your textbook due, which is about written language. And for chapter 5, I'm going to ask you to do a double entry journal. So that's a new form of note-taking that we haven't tried yet. So to find information about the double entry journal, go under Assignments, go under Homework, and go under this folder called Double Entry Journal. And you will see I've recorded a video explaining what double entry journals are and how you can complete yours. There's also a set of instructions. There's a model that I created to show you what I'm looking for. And I've also included a template that you can download and use to create your own double entry journal. So we're going to try something a little bit different this week. And then this week you also have your literature circle book. The past several weeks we've read and discussed Al Capone Does My Shirts in small groups. In the next several weeks, you're going to be reading and discussing different groups, or different books rather. For example, some people are reading El Defo by C.C. Bell, while others are reading The Underneath by Kathy Appelt. There are several other titles that you guys are reading this week. So please make sure that you check the assignment folder. Go under Assignments. Go under Literature Circle Discussions, and go under Literature Circle Groups for weeks 6 through 8. Click on that document to make sure you know what book you're reading and to make sure you know who is in your group. And I did email that document last week, but in case you didn't see the email, you should definitely check out the document here in Blackboard in case you didn't already see it. So, and what's unique about Literature Circle Discussions for the next several weeks is that I'm not assigning you to read a certain part of your book. Like, I'm not assigning chapters 1 through 10 like I did with Al Capone. Instead, you and your group members are going to decide how much of your book you want to read each week. So for this book that you're reading starting in week 6, you have 3 weeks to read the book. So you might just want to split your book up into 3 equal parts to the extent possible. So this week you also have a discussion due based on whatever amount of the book that you and your group members decided you wanted to read this week. So it's a little bit different, but it gives you some flexibility. You might decide you might want to read just a little bit this week and read more next week. It's really up to you guys. As long as you read your books in 3 weeks and have your discussion every week, it doesn't matter to me how much or how little you want to read in a given week. So that is week 6 in a nutshell. And if you have any questions about anything going on in class, please let me know. Thank you.